So I finally got O즈모 Mobile 2. Some of you who have been following my channel knows that I do have ZHIYUN SMOOTH Q as well. So why did I end up buying O즈모 Mobile 2? Why would anyone have such a question? It's because they look identical. It both has the toggle switch on and off button, the zoom in and out button, and different modes, USB, the universal adapter for extension stick, 3-axis gimbal. You can also turn around and do just Instagram story. And also the weight of these two are very similar. It's 450 grams, 485 grams. I don't really feel the difference. So why did I actually buy another mobile phone stabilizer? I have Galaxy Note 8, which is probably one of the biggest phones out there. So I put the mobile phone in, it's unbalanced, and then now I'll turn it on. And it's so quick to balance. Wait. So it doesn't balance perfectly, and sometimes you need to kind of adjust. Oh, yeah. Also now it's balanced, but it takes a little bit of effort sometimes. And these days I think people like having big phones maybe. Actually, after adjusting this length, which is important as the weight, I don't touch it at all. And it's actually enough to go in to this length. One thing is if I lengthen this part, then it doesn't go in. And going in is important when I pack it in the bag. Then you need to actually shorten the length to fit in. That's why you need to keep on readjusting every single time you use it if you have a big phone. One thing is that the Note 8, can you see? This rubber part is a little bit small. It doesn't quite fit. Whereas O즈모 Mobile 2 is definitely bigger and suitable for a bigger mobile phone. I think recently app improved, I've rechecked. However, the app still doesn't give 4K video. That's a real shame, and many of the mobile phones right now can take 4K video. So why would you still consider buying ZHIYUN SMOOTH Q? First, the price. When this one came out last year, and there was O즈mo Mobile 1, this was half price. And then when O즈mo Mobile 2 came out, now the online price for ZHIYUN SMOOTH Q is half price of O즈mo Mobile 2. I think it's definitely worth it if you have a mobile phone and you really cannot be bothered about all these different functions in the app, and all you need a very stable footage, that's all you want, then this is enough. The funny thing is, these boxes are the same. I mean, of course, because the product is the same. But O즈mo Mobile 2, what I'm really disappointed in is it comes in this ugly styrofoam. Okay, it's good for the delivery. I mean, I don't need this at all. Whereas ZHIYUN, so inside the box, they provide a bag with this messenger bag style. And I know Osmo sells this separate bag for $229. But because I already have this bag, I'm gonna use it with O즈mo Mobile 2. Although the handle is a little bit thicker, it can still be zipped. One thing is if you're considering just stable, simple stabilizer that is price competitive and comes with a nice handy bag, because I do use this bag a lot. Like this. Like this. Then you might actually consider getting ZHIYUN SMOOTH Q, because the downside is really the software, which they are keep on improving.
Coming up next, I will be exploring the O즈mo Mobile 2 app in Victoria Harbour. So please do stay tuned, and if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you!